We do a educational workshop on wood burning, high altitude, fuel moisture, do's and don'ts, healthy practices, reduce creosote, increase efficiencies. Hey everyone, it's Nathan here. I just want to welcome you to the old historical building today. Kent is our representative for Hearthstone. We are super stoked he's here. Why just talk stoves?
That's right.
Talk evolution.
Yeah, amen.
Anyway, we just got one show
cool.
burn today here. We've sold out of every other product. So anyway, what's your main goal for me here today?
Well, I was just stopping in to see how the store's doing and see what you need. I get some brochures and all that. I'm sure you're familiar with the Lincoln. Have you seen that?
I've heard of the Lincoln.
Okay.
I haven't seen one in person, but I know that it's in production.
It's a smaller stove, like 600-700 square feet.
It's a box stove.
Yeah, and you can put it in rooms you wouldn't normally, but it's, of course, tax credit ready and all that good
Tax
stuff.
credit ready. So the box stove, the reason we like the box stove is you get a cylindrical stove, you load logs in long ways. So it's really, back in the day, it was a sheep burners type stove, and it was very, very popular because they're not too huge. Basically, you can get a really good hot fire in it, but it takes a lot less space.
Yeah, and some people call those, like we do ours, is a cigar feed. It's kind of, or north-south. You feed it deep, not wide.
Exactly. That's the big ticket on that. So you have brochures with the Lincoln? So what shows the goodies? Okay. That's always fun to put on. What's that? Binder. Hearthstone. A soapstone box stove.
That's this little stove right here. Good for like up to about 600 square feet. It's all soapstone lined and soapstone, so we carry the heat, hold the heat in a lot longer than some of our competition, but that's what it looks like.
Beautiful. And it's a decent price point, I saw.
Yeah, it's $23.99 retail. And we now have a blue-black color that's not in this brochure.
We love the blue-black.
Yeah, I just love to do that.
Well,
but yeah, it's great for cabins, tiny homes. You can even put them in mobile homes. The cool thing we do is a slim line.
Okay.
And they do it in 4 or 5 different sizes, but it's only 11 inches, under 12 inches deep.
Okay.
So, you know, if you can't build a doghouse going outside, you can bring it into the room a little bit, frame it into the wall, and it's only sticking out about 6 inches or so. So it's
cool.
I call them a problem solver. It's kind of a linear, but it's also really tall.
Okay.
So it's not just the 11, 12-inch tall
Gotcha.
linears. And then, of course, you can get in. These are great for other rooms. So there's normal built-ins, and so the wall mount's the fun one. So this one, literally, you hang a template on the wall. It shows you where to put the gas, the electric, the vent. Yeah. Do all that, and then you put a bracket over it, and you literally hang this thing up like a picture.
Yeah, so what he was talking about there is that you can do a normal direct vent fireplace, and then as you continue looking down here, you got these wall mount that literally hang like a picture. So you don't have to do a big remodel. So we like that idea.
Just hang it like a picture.
Yeah, a lot easier.
Yeah.
It's ready to roll. Well, cool. I'll put these in the mix. Sola. It's just an honor to have you come over.
Yeah, you bet.
I appreciate it very much. Thank you, community. Appreciate all the support over all the years. Thanks to Hearthstone. We have quality product to offer at a reasonable price. Thanks to the government for fighting for the environment to reduce emissions all the way down to what? What's our lowest polluting one? Like 0.49?
I think it is.
Yeah, so less than half a gram of soot. And when we started, they were 40 plus grams an hour with soot. Welcome to Shangri-La.